Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see irrigation drainage engineering mock test, which is consist of 25 questions. If you have not attended quiz yet, to attend quiz click on the link given in description box. So first question was, the capillary water is held between tension of about 31 atmosphere and 1 by 3 atmosphere. The inverted arches type of foundation is suitable for bridges and reservoirs. When the fluid pressure is measured either above or below the atmosphere pressure as a datum, it is called gauge pressure. A venturimeter is device used for measurement of the rate of the flow of fluid through pipe. The discharge through trapezoidal channel is maximum when half of top width is equal to sloping side. In case of direct irrigation scheme, a weir is constructed across the river and water is headed up on the upstream side. The arrangement is known as headworks. The removal of abrupt irregularities such as mounds, dunes, and ringes, and filling of pits, depression, and gullies is called rough grading. What kind of roof useful at places where rainfall or snowfall is heavy? Pitch roof. Unconfined aquifer is a permeable bed only partially filled with water and overlaying a relatively impervious layer. The following drainage system consists of parallel lateral drains that enter the main drain at an angle, usually from both sides. Herringbone drainage system. Capillary factor is the ratio of mean supply discharge to full supply discharge. The Cutter's equation is best suited in designing the canal based on Kennedy's theory. Water cement ratio by volume for hydration hardening of cement theoretically works out to be 0.08. Usually, the cut fill ratio in land leveling varies from 1.2 to 1.6. Soils having the following type of structure has the poorest drainage property: platy structure soils. The discharge drawdown relationship of an irrigation well is known as well characteristics. Towards downstream, the capacity of drainage system should increases. The process of distribution of irrigation water through canal is called as rostering. In the Lagrangian method, a single fluid particle is followed during its motion and its velocity, acceleration, density, etc. The settlement allowance with the plane method of computing cut and fill may range from 0.3 to 1 cm for compact soils, whose assumption is used for hydraulic design of steady-state subsurface drainage system. Dupitt Forsmeyer. For moderate slopes and small to moderate size irrigation streams, the length of border for clay for soils should be 150 to 300 meter. The infiltration opportunity time at any point along the border is the vertical distance between the advance and recession curves at the point. A saturated but relatively impermeable material that does not yield appreciable quantities of water to well is aquiclude. The operating head of emitters of drip irrigation system is generally less than 20 meter. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.